don't want to just look better. I want to feel and perform better. That's why I choose Titan Medical Center to help me reach my health goals and to optimize my performance.
Titan Medical Center is a concierge medical clinic, conveniently located in downtown Tampa's beautiful Channelside district. Our services range from identical hormone replacement therapy for males and females, medical weight loss, peptide therapies, vitamin and amino acid injectable therapies, and much more. Today, Jonathan Price, one of Titan Medical Center's patients, will have the opportunity to share his personal Titan experience.
So I used to be with a hormone replacement clinic about 9 years ago. Unfortunately, the day-to-day, my energy was getting low, my therapies were coming in late. So I've known John and Sharice since middle school. I gave Sharice a call. John immediately reached out to me. We ended up doing my blood work, and a lot of things were very off. I've noticed since day one of being with Titan Medical, the customer service difference, the speed of the therapies getting to me, making sure that my health is number one and a priority to Titan. It's just a total experience. I feel much better. I have a lot more energy, a lot more confidence. I'm in the best shape of my life, and I turned 38 this year. So if you want to be in the best shape of your life, I'm telling you, got to reach out to Titan, get your blood levels checked, and make sure you are at your optimal levels. So professionally, I ran health clubs for about 11 years as a vice president. I've also done construction sales out in the hot Florida sun. So you can imagine at my age, out in the heat, you got to be at a great health level. I mean, you got to have energy, you got to be able to move, you got to have that endurance, and you got to keep up with these younger kids who are trying to outperform us. But the beautiful thing is I feel like I'm 18 to 20 still. I think it's really a mindset, but more importantly, how you start inside that matters. So if you don't know what's going on inside your body, there's no way that you're going to get the maximum of everything else. So having my blood work done, getting in here, making sure that everything's at its highest point, I feel like 18 and I perform at my best level every single day. So one of my favorite therapies, has always been my favorite therapy, is Hercules Potion. I know a lot of people think about injectables as like, oh no, it's so scary, but I'm telling you right now, it is the best pre-workout on the market, hands down. You can't go any store and find this type of therapy. Immediate pump. In about 20 minutes, I don't care if you lift a rep, if you've been in the gym, you're gonna feel some blood flow. And that's exactly the point in order to create lean muscle. I love it. MK677. I personally have an appetite problem. I don't like to eat a lot. As soon as I take MK, immediately I'm able to get my meals down, which means nutrition. I'm able to repair and rebuild the muscles that I've broken down. Think about nutrition going to your body for energy, resources, everything else. So because of the way I live my lifestyle, obviously it's infectious to others. I post how I feel on the internet, my workout videos, and a lot of people my age from high school are looking at me like, dude, how are you still doing it? How are you still staying at that level? You know, a lot of the high school football players that I used to work out with now, unfortunately, have families, kids, lives, and they kind of let themselves go. But I want you guys to know you are the perfect candidate to call Titan Medical and get your life back. That's what I've been doing for the past 8 years, and that's why I feel and look like I do today. You wouldn't believe the actual endless people that message me on social media that I just simply refer over to Titan, and the responses that I get back from the results they see immediately. So if that can happen for them, it can definitely happen for you. I highly recommend calling 727-389-3220. Get your blood work checked, but more importantly, get your life back, because you deserve it.